record. Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. Right. Okay. So I will share my AutoCAD. Okay, share. Right. Today we are going to see about push-pull command. Okay. So you all know that when you open AutoCAD for 3D, what you should do? You should go for 3D modeling. You know, here the 3D modeling workspace, or choose here and go for 3D modeling, right? Okay. So the second, then what we need to do, well, I want to teach one more thing. When I teach you the box command, there is one more option available in the box, which I didn't tell you. Okay. So when you click here, and then when you move to any direction, like for example, you go here and you make a line or something else. Okay. You can choose the length. Okay. You can choose cube. Okay. In the cube, you have an option like saying that this is the length, right? The 40, this is the length, and this one is actually the angle. Okay, you can use a tab button. You see it? You see tab button? Tab button, it will go to the angle part. Okay, then you can choose maybe like 30. Okay, then you put again tab. Okay, don't put enter tab. Then you can put a length. Length is 40. Okay, now you got length. Okay, now what happened? Okay, the length, because it's a cube, because 40 is actually 40 is actually is a cube.
Yes, sir.
Solunga Ashok. Now this angle is 30 degree. You see? Now from this XY, but this is not maybe you see here. Okay, on top you can see. See, this is not in straight line. This angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Okay. And say similarly, you can do the XY rectangle also. So for rectangle, how you do? Okay, I delete this one. Delete. Okay, go to home. Okay, home button. Then move here. Then I again go to box. Click here. Then I have to. Ashok. Ashok, can you hear me? Okay. Okay. So same. See, the cube and rectangle is same. Okay. For rectangle, what do you do? You go here. Then you can take, for example, now you can press length. Okay. Once you go check the box command, then you can click one place. Then you need to check the length. Okay. When you have a length, you have see the blue color highlighting, the highlighting is what is the length, and this one the see, you can see the 4 degree, right? This 4 degree is actually is what is a degree angle. If I click this one, you won't get this angle. You see, if you get this one, you always get 6. You always get 0, because it's either 0 or 90 or 0. You will get only 0 or 90. That's all. You won't get any other thing. So if you off this one, you'll get anything like you can see your angle, your line can move an angle there. Now, if you need to click any angle, maybe if you want an angle for 45 degree, for example, 45. Okay, no, not here. So you put tab button. Oh, sorry, I put something wrong. Okay, okay. So now you put the tab. You know, tab button, tab. In your computer, you got a tab button. You press this, and then the thing will be highlighted on the angle. So the angle will give 45 degree. Okay, then you don't put enter, just put tab. Then again it will come to this length. Okay, here you give maybe like for example 100. Okay, 100, and then you give the width. It's asking width maybe like 50. Okay, so you got your. Now it's asking the length. Length is you can give this. So now you already got your thing. You cannot see, right? So we change the view to shade with edge. You see now? Now I can see. You understand? Now the thing is now you see on the top you can see that the thing is in a angle. See, it's not in the 90 degree. So now you know, right? Okay. So now we will go to the press pull command. Okay. So I undo this one. Okay. So now we need to go to the press pull command is here. This is called press pull command. Okay. So for press pull command, what we need to do is actually we need to have some of the lines. Okay. I draw this line. Okay. Then I draw a circle here. Okay. I draw the circle, maybe a circle here. And then I will also draw by line. Okay. Line.
அந்த புது ஃபோன் தான் கிளாஸ் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணாமா
So 10.
புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு?
Okay, then this is actually is 20. Then this one is 10. 10 close. C, then close. Okay. So now extrude. You know what to do, right? Extrude. What will you do? How will you do? Extrude. You'll go to extrude. Then you press this circle or and then enter, right? But here, you know, for press pull, you select the press pull, then go inside the thing. Automatically, the one highlighted in the blue is the profile. See, if you go inside here, this will be highlighted. See, only the half of the quarter circle is highlighted. If you go here, this 3 is easy. For example, I click here. So you see, this is highlighted. The only the portion. Okay, maybe I'll change to the view. View change to shades again. Okay, so press pull. You go near to the near to the place. It will be automatically. See, it can go. It can automatically go the thing. At the same time, if I go here, it will only this portion is extruded. At the same time, if I go here, only this portion is extruded. Okay, so whichever one we can extrude one thing. Then when you go here, see this is actually this also I can highlight it. You see, you know, in extrude you cannot do that. You know that. For example, I put a line. Okay. If I try to extrude, I cannot extrude. You see, I click here or I click here anyway, I cannot extrude. And then I need to enter. Okay, select the extrude objects again. Selected. See, now it's only a line is extruding, right? But for press pull, you can do that. You see, I can do that. So for press pull, you no need to be in the. You no need to be in the. You no need the profile. No need to be in polyline. Okay, this is called polyline, right? So it's no need to be in the polyline. It can be a separate line. Okay. So for example, we'll go here. Then I press this link. Then I make it here, like for example, I make maybe 10. Okay. Okay. So this is 10, right? So what I do, then you also you can do that. Still there's you're in the command is never over. Okay. So I press here. Okay. So this is how we need to do the press pull. Correct. Okay. So one more thing. What else need to see? Let me check. Okay. So okay. And also press pull also can be edited. I show you. So okay. So for example, I choose a press. I click here. I can move here and increase the length or reduce the length. For example, this is I go here. Okay, I press maybe 2. See, now it's already cut by 2 mm. Okay, if I want to increase by 6, I can increase by 6 mm. So you can also do multiple phase. For example, I want to do this phase. Okay, I choose this command multiple. Then you choose this one. Then enter. you can choose the both the things. See, then I put maybe like 5. See, I can choose the 5, enter. See, now I can choose the multiple faces at one time. Okay, I can choose multiple faces at one time. Then what else? Okay, multiple cut, remove. Okay, then another thing I want to show you is actually you can cut the surface. Okay, for example, okay,
One second.
என்னமா
Repeat பண்ணுங்க sir. The multiple use நீங்க நினைக்கிறீங்க sir.
multiple
ஆமாங்க sir.
okay, so okay, I'll tell you. So multiple is actually what you do is actually you have a, like for example, you have a circle here. Okay, you have a circle here. Okay, maybe 2. Okay, so then you have a rectangle here. Okay, okay, so now again same thing, I'm going to press pull. So press pull this area, and then I'm going to give maybe like for example 5. Okay, 5. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to same thing I'm going to do here, then I'm going to give 4, maybe 4. And now I'm going to do again the press, still in press pull command, right? So now I'm going to select okay, I again go back to press pull. Then I see then I select here one area, then here there's M is there, right? Can you see the M here, multiple? So I just press the multiple. Okay, then I select this one also. Okay, and I select this one also. Okay, this one also. Then be like press I press enter. It asks you how many. Maybe for example, maybe I put 5. Okay, I put 5. Can you see? It's increased by 5. This increased by 5.
Okay sir.
Okay,
First
clear?
நீங்க சர்க்கிளை வந்து ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் பண்ணீங்க, அடுத்து இது வந்து press pull பண்ணீங்களா சார்?
இல்ல எல்லாத்தையும் அதாவது ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இங்க பாருங்க, மறுபடியும் பண்றேன் நானு. When I go to press pull,
Okay.
then it's asking you what is the area, right? So I press this one. Okay, and then what I do, yeah, multiple, right? So I select the multiple, then I press this one, press the surface, and also the surface. I selected totally 3 surface, then I press enter. Okay, then what I do, I'm going to do maybe like I'm going inside now. So I'm going inside by 5 mm. All see this one also going inside. See, I move my mouse. I move my mouse in direction of how I want. See, if I move my mouse here, it shows it's all getting bigger. Yeah, I move my mouse down, it's all showing is all going smaller. Everything is going smaller, because why this is longer is because it's going from this dot on top to going down. Okay, either you take big or small. That's all. Okay, you understand? You go to the mouse direction, and then you choose the, for example, I go inside, and then I just use 5. Now it's all gone inside. Clear?
Okay sir.
Okay, then I want to show you something. Also you can cut. You can cut using the this command. You make a circle. Okay. You know why I can draw it here? You know, because I already told you I can only draw in XY direction, because my dynamic UC is this is called dynamic UC. This is on. So I can draw here. If not, I cannot draw. Okay. Later in future, I will tell you all these things. Okay. Now you need to make a hole. Okay. Just now what we do is actually we make a all extrusion. Okay. Now I'll try this one. Okay. I just click here and then go this way. Now you see he got a hole. Now you got a hole.
சென்டர் வருது டெட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க சார்.
Yes. For example, when you okay, I undo here. Maybe I click here. Okay. If I go here, you will add material. Okay, understand? If you go here, it will add material. If I go down, it will cut material. You want to see? If you go up, it will add material. If you go down, it will cut material. See? because I go down and cut the material.
ரவுண்ட் பிரஸ் பண்ணி கட் பண்ணீங்களா சார்?
நான் கட் பண்ணல.
கமெண்ட் போட்டுங்க.
I didn't cut. I instead of, see, for example, press pull. Okay, I go up. Maybe for example, I now I go up 10 mm. Okay, 10 mm. Sorry, I go down already. Undo. Okay. So go extrude. Okay. So now extrude 10 mm. Okay. What I do, I do one more thing here. Same thing. Okay. I do. Okay. So now I'm going to go the other direction. Now just now I give this direction 10 mm, right? Now I go down and I'm going to give the same 10 mm. See, same thing. Just now I do up. It's like this. We do down like this.
10 mm கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த சென்டர்ல இதுவே டெலிட் ஆயிடும்.
Yes, correct. So that's the power of pressful. Pressful actually is also a powerful command. Okay, so what else? Press pull, then remove faces. This is what I told. You can also totally remove faces. Okay, for example, I'll teach you. If you need to remove this face, for example, I want to remove this face. Okay, they remove this one. Very simple. What I do, I just go here, press pull, click this surface, and then go this way. Gone. See, totally the thing is. I do one more time, huh? Okay, I choose press pull, click this surface, then I go this direction. In this direction, I'll see. I'll get bigger. Can you see? But for this direction, it will be gone. The thing will be gone. See, gone. You understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So what else is there? Remove surface island, multiple island. Okay, press control key. Okay. Now, I left. I need to teach island only. Okay, island. What is island? For example, you have many, like for example, here got one circle, then here got one rectangle, then here got one, for example, 6i. Okay, a polygon, interruption. Okay, okay. Now you have a polygon, right? So now I have many lines. Okay, I just okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to now to press pull. Now if I click this direction, it will only see only this is selected. This is okay. If you select this one, only this is selected. See, and if you select this one, only this outside is selected. Okay. So now this is my island, right? So whatever you select, it will be highlighted. Okay. Now the thing is, I want to teach another one.
ஐலாண்ட்
ஆமா
வரைஞ்சிங்களா சார்? இப்போ ஆஃபா கட் ஆயிடுச்சு.
ஆஃப் நான் செலக்ட் பண்ணது. ஓகே, ஃபுல்லா போடல. I'll do one more time. I didn't go to full length. Okay, press pull. I just go to this length. இங்க கிளிக் பண்ணல. நான் இங்க கிளிக் பண்ணிருந்தா இந்த length வந்திருக்கும். இங்க கிளிக் பண்ண இந்த length. I didn't click full length. I click somewhere in middle. Okay,
புல் தான் பண்ணீங்களா? பிரஸ் புல் தான் பண்ணீங்களா?
press pull தான்.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, right. So now we are still in press pull, so only teaching press pull command. Okay, so now the final thing. Fine. I'm going to end the press pull command. Now I'm going to make a rectangle here. Okay, and then I will change the view to left. For example, left view. Okay, so left view, and then what I'm going to do is actually now my XY is I can draw here a different plane. Okay, I'm going to take my ortho off. So I'm going to draw a taper line. Okay, now come back here. Okay, so the direction is wrong. Okay, never mind. Okay, so now I got it this line, right? Now I'm going to extrude. Extrude. Select this one. Then enter. And then direction. This one and this one. Okay, so now I have done here. Okay. Okay. So now I go to this one. Again, I select the parallel view. And now I have drawn here. Okay. Now this is what I draw now. Okay. I just draw this one. Now you can also press pull this one. See what happens press pull. It will always go in Z direction. Your press pull is always in what direction? Z direction. Is okay. Is it the parallel to the drawn direction? Okay, not Z, parallel to the drawn direction. But you can do one thing. You see, if you press Control, and you can, for example, you can press this one and press Control and click here. It will go in the same direction. You see? Can you see the thing? I show you.
Sorry.
Now you know why I press Control. If I don't press Control, what will happen is actually put here, press pull, it will go always straight. And see here.
Straight time sir.
Huh?
Control அனுப்பினா ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா வந்துருது.
ஆமா.
அது எப்படி சார்?
ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க, ஒரு கால் வருது, நான் பேசிட்டு வரேன். ஹலோ. இல்ல, நான் ஒரு ஆட்டோகேட் கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேன். நான் உங்களை அது விஷயமா தான் கால் பண்ண நினைச்சேன் நானு. ஆமா. நீங்க ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க. கிளாஸ் விஷயம் தான். நீங்களும் கிளாஸ் ஜாயின் பண்ணி நல்லா தான் இருக்கும். இது ஆட்டோ, நீங்க பெரிய ஆள், நீங்க ஆட்டோகேட்ல. அப்படியா? சரி சரி. ஓ, சரி 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 சரி. ஓ, சரி 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 சரி. ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. ஓ, சரி சரி. வா. ஓ, சரி 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 சரி. ஓகே. அதான் ஆமா, ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேன் நான் இப்போ. சொல்லி கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன். ஓகே. இல்ல இல்ல இல்ல, நீங்க உங்களையும் சேர்த்துக்கலாம், டீச்சரா சேர்த்துக்கலாம் தான். Okay, I'm very sorry. There was a call from my friend, so I was asking him to also help in AutoCAD. So I just want to talk to him, okay? But he's very busy in the company, so he can say he cannot join. Okay, never mind. Okay, now you understand this press pull by using control button, right? Okay. And one more thing I want to say is actually, when you always press pull, it will create as a separate part, so joint part. See, most of the thing is actually, if it is a, since it's a different thing, so it's the separate part. But here you see all the same part. But when you do extrusion, for example, I do extrusion on top of this. Okay, I try to do an extrusion. Okay. Now I'm going to do an extrusion on top of this. Extrusion on top of this. Hey, why? Extrusion. Okay, sorry. If my thing is blocking here. Okay, right. Okay. Extrusion. Then click here, circle. So a circle, enter, and then extrude by 5 mm. Maybe I give 5. Okay. Now just now I extrude, right? Okay. Now this one has become a solid together with this one. This one become a single element, right? Okay. See, this one separate and this one separate. Can you see? Okay. Let's press the wrong button. Okay. Can you see the thing is just now what we do here is same. See, the whole thing is there. When I move here, the whole thing is moved. All is become a single unit. But you see here, when I do this one here, it's separate, correct? It's separate, right? No, it's because this one is done by. Sorry. Let me move a little bit more. Okay. You see, this one and this one become separate. But here, when I do here, same. Why? Anybody can answer?
ஆமாங்க சார். அது நீங்க ஒண்ணா வரைஞ்சது. இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் இருக்குது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீங்க ஒண்ணா வரைஞ்சதீங்க.
சரி.
செட்டா வரைஞ்சீங்க. அப்புறம் செகண்ட் ஒண்ணா வரைஞ்சீங்க. அப்புறம் அதுக்கு அதே மாதிரி சிலிண்டர் வரைஞ்சு தனியா ஷீட் கொடுத்தீங்க தனியா.
சரி.
அதான் செப்பரேட்டா வந்திருக்கு உங்களுக்கு செகண்ட். அதான் சார்.
இல்ல. அதாவது இதெல்லாம் வந்து இதுல பண்ணா பிரஸ் புல்ல பண்ணேன். இது வந்து எக்ஸ்ட்ரூட்ல பண்ணேன். புரியுதா?
புரியுது.
ஓகே சார். நம்ம இப்ப இத வந்து பாலிலைனா மாத்தலாமா?
ஓகே சார்.
இல்ல இப்போ என்ன பண்ணனும், ஜாயின் பண்ணனும். இது இப்போ அதுதான் பூலியன் கமாண்ட். அடுத்த கமாண்ட் வரேன் நான். இப்போ நான் வந்து இத முடிச்சிட்டேன் நான். போட்டுருக்கா உங்களுக்கு? நான் வந்து இத முடிச்சிட்டேன். what is that? பிரஸ் புல்ல வந்து முடிச்சிட்டேன். பிரஸ் புல்ல டவுட் இருக்கா ஏதாவது? இப்போ நீங்க இதெல்லாம் பண்ணி பார்த்தா தான் புரியும் உங்களுக்கு. இந்த கண்ட்ரோல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா நீங்க நான் சொல்றது வந்து புரிஞ்ச மாதிரி இருக்காது. நீங்க பண்ணாதான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் அந்த கண்ட்ரோல் வேலை எப்படி வேலை செய்யுது. மத்தபடி நான் சொல்றது எல்லாம் புரிஞ்சிருச்சா?
புரியுது சார்.
Okay, now இப்போ boolean operation வருவோம். Okay, you know what is boolean operation? boolean command னா தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு?
தெரியாது. இல்ல சார்.
Okay, so boolean வருவோம் இப்போ. இங்க solid button பண்ணி வச்சுக்கங்களேன். இங்க இருக்கு. இதா இருங்க. இது படிங்க இத.
boolean.
Okay, இதான் boolean command. Okay, மூணு இருக்கு இல்ல இங்க, இதான் boolean command. இது வந்து இங்க சாலிட்ல இங்க இருக்கும், இங்க ஹோம்ல வந்து இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கும். இதுவும் பூலியன் தான். இது மூணு தான். இது ரெண்டும் ஒரே மாதிரி இங்கே எடுக்கலாம், இங்கே எடுக்கலாம். ஓகே, ரைட். இப்போ அதுக்கு தான் வரேன் நான். இப்போ நம்ம அன்டு போடுறோம். போட்டோன்னா இது ஜாயிண்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு. இது வந்து இன்னும் கரெக்டான பொசிஷனுக்கு வந்துருச்சு. இதான் நான் டிரா பண்ண ஃபர்ஸ்ட் क्वेश्चन. ஓகே, இப்போ வந்து இது ரெண்டு தனியா இருக்குது. தனியா சாலிட் இருக்கு. ஓகேயா, அது தனியா இருக்கு. ரைட், இப்போ வந்து ரெண்டு ஜாயின் பண்ண போறோம். ஜாயின் பண்றது வெரி சிம்பிள். யூனியன் இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா? பூலியன்னா என்னன்னா, ஒரு 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 சாலிட வந்து ஒரு சாலிட் பொருளை வந்து அட்டாச்சிங் ஒன் சாலிட் டு another solid. Okay, clear? So I'm going to attach this solid, this cylinder solid to this solid. Okay, so how I attach? Go union, press this and press this, enter. Now both is become one. See, now I cannot move separately. If I move, everything comes together. There is no separate thing. Can you see? Okay, now this is one thing, right? Now I have one more thing. Now next we'll go to the subtract command. How you will make the subtract command? I'm making a sphere here. Okay, this is a sphere. Then I make a cylinder. Okay, cylinder. Okay, I'm going to change the direction. I don't want cylinder at this direction. I want cylinder at this. Now is from top. Okay, so I will change the view to custom view to top. Undo. Okay, now XY is here. Now I'm going to make a cylinder. You know why I change the view? Cylinder. Okay, make it down. Fully is covered, doesn't no matter. Should not fully cover. Okay, I cover maybe like, for example, okay. So now, okay, now what I'm going to do is actually now I'm going to subtract. Okay, I'm going to subtract. Okay, I'm copy this one first. Okay, it may help me for other things. So I just copy command is where copy. This is a copy command. So I select this product. I select this image. Select everything. I just move one more place. Okay, I just copied this one. Now I'm going to use a subtract. Okay, I want to have this one, but I want to subtract these two. Okay, have one, then I enter. Okay, then I select this one and this one. Okay, this 3D. Okay, all is 3D. Okay, then enter. See what happened? Gone. Can see? Can
Okay, sir.
So now you want to subtract something. So what you need to do is actually when you subtract, okay, when you subtract, when you select here, you need to always select the part that which you want to retain. That means எது வந்து உங்களுக்கு இருக்கணுமோ அதை வந்து முதல்ல select பண்ணணும். Which one you want to keep, the one select first. If I want to keep this one, I select this one. Okay, 3 solid, and this one also I want to keep it this one. Okay, then now I enter. Now I press this one. This one. Now you see, because I selected the which one the first will be retained. Can see?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right, undo. Now I'm going to teach you the intersection command. Okay, intersection command is actually is same thing. Select here. You can select how many product you want. 1, 2, 3. Okay, enter. Enter. Invalid Windows. Okay, Windows. See, now only the left, all the three is joined together place only is retained. Can you see? I can also select one also, okay? Or only two, I can select two. For example, I just only select these two. For example, if this one plus this one. See, now the retained portion is only this one. This one we did not include. See, the intersection is only between these two products. So it never takes the other one. Sorry. See, it's never take the cylinder. It never take it because cylinder we never include. You only take between the this one and this one. This one and this one. Okay. Clear?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So now we will make an exercise using a only just cube and this is the solid cylinder command. Then I will send one exercise to you. Very simple.
Okay, sir.
You have to do it next week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
I think I already WhatsApped you the image, right? Okay, we are going to do the one. Okay.
Then
Before that, I want to ask you
முடிச்சிட்டீங்க.
one question. Before I forget.
Sir.
Yes. என்ன சொல்லுமா?
நான் அதுக்கு கிளாஸ் முடிச்சிட்டீங்க.
இல்ல முடிக்கல. அது நான் மறந்துட போறேன்றதுனால சொல்றேன் நான்.
ஓ சரிங்க சார்.
Okay, அவசரப்படாதீங்க. Okay. Before okay. அதாவது நமக்கு வந்து anybody want to learn English?
ஆமா சார்.
சரி இருங்க நான் என்னோட இது பார்த்தேன். ஓகே யார் இங்கிலீஷ் படிக்கணும் ஆசைப்படுறது?
I also want to learn, sir.
Najmul, you are back already, yeah?
Yes, sir. Before 9 o'clock.
Okay. So where is Fedos? Fedos is here. Okay. So I include your name also in attendance, huh? So we got 4 people today. 4, yes. Babu, Rashok, Najmul, Fedos. That's all, huh? 4 people, huh? Okay. Right. So if you want to learn English, there is an option available. Okay, I'll send you the link to you. Is already in the computer class, right? The link? No one. Okay.
Sir, both class are at the same time.
No, that's why English class we are trying to keep it on. No, if everybody is agree, we want to keep it on Sunday. So if you want to learn AutoCAD, you come on Saturday. If you want to learn English, you come on Sunday. You want to learn both, you come on both days.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Timing, sir.
Timing நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. What is the timing available?
நீங்க தான் சொல்லுங்க சார்.
Sunday all
Same
time available.
Okay, sir.
Okay, நான் எழுதிக்கிறேன். Fedos, are you interested in English class? Will you join? Okay. Next is Babu.
Yes, sir.
You are interested in English class?
Yes, sir. Interested.
So what time is convenient for Sunday?
Same time, sir. This question.
So Sunday 8:30 is convenient time.
Yes, sir.
Early, then what will happen? Maybe 4 o'clock, then how?
Work, sir.
Work, okay.
Today only
Right.
leave, sir. Saturday only leave.
Oh, you leave on Saturday, okay, right.
Yes.
Leave on Saturday. I want to, okay. Then Najmul, your time?
It's okay, sir. At the same time, at 7 to 8 or 9.
Now we have 8:30 to 9:30. Is it okay?
Yeah, is it okay, sir?
Why? If early, then you will work a what?
It's okay for me, sir.
Early also okay lah. No. I'm asking you because we still haven't decided. So we want to decide.
Better sir at the same time.
Okay. Then how about Babu, Ashok, உங்களுக்கு
சார் போட்டுக்கோங்க சார் டைம் ஓகே சார்
any time is okay for you.
ரெடி டைம் ஆஹா சண்டே 8 சார் சண்டே
8:30.
ஓகே சார் எனக்கு ஆமாங்க சார்
So, Sunday you have job?
ஆமாங்க சார் சண்டே ஜாப் இருக்கு சார்
Okay.
சனிக்கிழமை லீவு ஞாயிற்றுக்கிழமை இருக்கு சார்
ஆமா
சனிக்கிழமை லீவு சார் எனக்கு சண்டே ஒர்க் இருக்கு சார்
சனிக்கிழமை உங்களுக்கு லீவா? பாபுக்கு சனிக்கிழமை லீவு சொன்னீங்கல்ல?
Yes, sir.
Now we will okay, I have two things I need to do now. One is actually I need to Najmul has presented a drawings, so I want to discuss regarding the drawings because he want us some like a project file, something like that. So I asked him to submit some of the drawing. So we need. I found some issues, so I want to just discuss with that one. So Najmul, the other matter I will discuss you in detail. Now I just only see the drawing because I want to show you in AutoCAD, so it will be easy for you. So open.
Okay sir.
Okay. So in this one, two things. One is actually this is not a solid. See, it's a surface.
I can't see sir.
Huh?
I
Cannot see
Oh, cannot see,
display, sir. Yes, sir.
Now can see.
Can see, sir.
Yes sir can.
Now you see this one is not a solid. This is the
Yes sir.
surface. And I understand one thing, okay?
Yes sir.
And second thing is we still haven't minus off because surely it's a solid you cannot minus off. See this you have done here. This one direction, and you have the other direction also. You have this is one direction, and this is another direction. You have both directions is not done, not cut it. Okay, so it's not an issue. It's not a big issue, but you know the concept. At least you know why you can do it. So you have to see why this is not solid, and so you have to see the issues. Okay, and then the thread also is okay, good, but I okay, not bad. The thread is okay, not bad.
Yes sir. Follow the number one.
Number one is good. You mean the cube one?
No, you sir send me one list of this ball. The dimension. I follow the number one dimension.
Yeah, okay. That one is not an issue. Okay, fine. The dimension is
put
not.
the sir.
That's it. Dimension is not important. As long as you get the shape, that's fine. Now the thing is, you didn't get the knurling, and you haven't get. This is not a solid. So only two issues. Okay, 10.
Yes sir. I will do
Okay,
one more thing.
so we will. You'll try to correct the one and send it. If possible, send it to me. Later, I'll discuss with you regarding the project file. Okay.
Okay sir.
Now we will go to the exercise.
The other two drawings are okay.
Yeah, okay. The other two is. You saw your WhatsApp have an image, right?
1 second sir hello sir ஹலோ சார்.
சொல்லுமா.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
Okay. So in WhatsApp, I sent you the drawing, right? Okay. So that drawing, I haven't sent it. Okay. So this drawing is okay. Okay. The WhatsApp drawing, I want you to do it at home. And okay. So you take the second one, the second drawing, exercise 9-1, Boolean operation. Okay. So okay, can you want me to do now, or you can do it at home? Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Can you see the exercise here?
Sir, பார்த்துக்கிறேன் sir.
Can you see the exercise here? Okay, I show you I show you my WhatsApp.
Can do.
So you want to do it here, or
Can do, sir. I can do.
okay, you can do. Any other any people cannot do?
நம்ம
Or you want to try first, then next class
நான்
we
ட்ரை
will
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
review.
சார். நான் செஞ்சு காமிக்கிறேன் சார்.
Okay.
Okay.
I just let you know how to do. Okay. Can you see my WhatsApp?
Yes, sir. Can see.
So, okay. Now, yeah, what you're seeing? Are you seeing the picture? No.
Yes. The
Second
PDF.
exercise sir. Yes sir.
What you're seeing at the screen now?
The picture, sir. Picture. The
Dash
PDF.
exercise dash 9.1, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you see here there is you need to draw this one, this rectangle, and draw this cylinder, and draw this wedge. Okay. And what you need to do, a plus b minus c. So you need to plus a and b. Then later, after you do that, then you need to minus c. You understand? You see, a plus b minus c. Okay. Then I want to see the result. And here also saying here what you should do, perform Boolean. This is the same operation, a plus b minus c, same. A is here, and b is here, c is here. So you need to put this way, and then you need to minus off and see what is the result. A plus b, then minus c. You understand? Clear? This is the exercise.
என்ன சார் டிஃபரெண்ட் வித்தியாசமா இருக்குது.
ஏன் வித்தியாசமா இருக்குறீங்க? Okay. Then the next exercise is
2D ஒன்னும் டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்குது, 3D டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்குது.
No, why? No different. Same.
சேம் தான் சார். டயரம் டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கு சார்.
The same thing actually. See, because they put this for you to understand, they give you this one.
The distance
Yes, distance is all given. The distance is not the distance given. Even if distance is not given, it's not important. You just use your own dimension. That's fine. Okay. Then sir. The next one, next exercise. Okay. So this is also very simple exercise. I think you all can do. Can? I want you to do this exercise. This is very basic.
It's simple. Supplementary, sir.
Huh?
Normal diagram இருக்கு sir. Normal.
Yeah, it's a normal one. Very simple.
அதான் sir.
Okay, right. So you try this one, and then we'll go complicated. Day by day, we can go complicated. Okay. Right. So what shall we do now? Now I make a simple exercise and then I'll say, okay, using a box command only.